Hello students, now to try these on page number 130. As we can see, this fourth part, ABC is a right angle triangle, this 24 as the perpendicular and this 7BC is the base. And now the hypotenuse is x, which we have to calculate. So in this right angle triangle ABC, we will use the Pythagoras property. So by using Pythagoras property, you see the hypotenuse square AC square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So AC is x square, it is equal to 24 square plus BC was 7, so 7 square. So 24 square 576 and 7 square 7 into 7 49. So x square would be equal to 625. So x square 625 can be written as 25 multiplied by 25. So the side hypotenuse x would be 25. So this side value of x is 25. Now we have part fifth. In fifth part, the triangle is given ABC. Okay, and here it is one altitude AD. So this triangle ABC is divided into two triangles. Okay, so we have to find the value of x, and we know this x will be BD plus DC. So first we take this triangle, and both the triangles have same hypotenuse, which is 37, and same perpendicular, which is 12. So the base also would be equal. BD is equal to DC. So using Pythagoras property in triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC, the sum of the square of the perpendicular and the base means AD square plus DC square is equal to AC square. Okay. 12 square plus DC square is equal to 37 square, as AC is given 37 and AD is given 12 and we don't know DC. So DC square will be equal to 37 square minus 12 square. Okay. So DC square is equal to this 37 square is 37 into 37 1369 minus 12 into 12 144. So DC square is equal to, if you subtract this 144 from 1369, you would get 1225. So if we see the square root of this 1225, it would be 35 into 35. Okay, so DC is equal to 35. See how we get this 35 into 35. If you know the multiplication of 5 into 5, 25, 3 and 3 times 4 is 12. So 1225. So square root of 1225 is 35. So DC is 35 and we know the DC is equal to BD. So what would be the X? So the X would be BD plus DC. BD is 35 and DC is also 35, as they both are equal. So value of X will be 35. Now we will solve sixth part. In sixth part, we have two right angles. As you can see, this square corner is shown. So ABC, this is one right angle, and BDC, this is second right angle. And we have to find the value of x, and x means AD. We have to find the value of AD. So first we will solve the right angle triangle ABC to find the length AC. Okay. So in triangle ABC, as it is a right angle triangle, right angle at B, so what would be the hypotenuse square? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to, AB square means 12 square plus BC means 5, so 5 square. So AC square would be equal to 12 into 12 144, 5 into 5 25. So 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. So AC square is equal to 169, which means 13 into 13. So AC is equal to 13. So from here we get AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So now we will solve for triangle BDC. Okay, this is a right angle triangle BDC. So in this triangle, BD square plus DC square will be equal to BC square. So BD is 3, so 3 square plus DC, that we have to find out. So 3 square plus DC square is equal to 5 square, as BC is given 5 centimeter. So DC square will be equal to 5 square minus 3 square. So we will transpose this 3 square from left hand direction to right hand direction. So it would be in negative sign. So DC square would be equal to 5 square 25 minus 3 square 9. So 25 minus 9 will be 16, which can be rewritten as 4 into 4. So DC will be equal to 4 centimeter. So we have DC 4 centimeter from this triangle BDC by using Pythagoras property. As we have proved earlier in triangle ABC, AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So see, we have AC is equal to 13 centimeter and DC is equal to 4 centimeter, and we know this AD would be equal to if we subtract DC from the complete AC. So AC minus DC. So that means 13 minus 4, it would be 9 centimeter. So the value of X in this part, sixth part, value of X would be 9 centimeter. I hope you understood. Thank you.